Dominate the mobile gaming arena with the power and precision of a full console setup in the palm of your hands. The GameSir G8 Galileo redefines mobile play, delivering elite performance through a direct Type-C connection, ensuring lag-free responsiveness for both Android and iPhone 16 series. Its plug-and-play design eliminates setup delays, letting you jump straight into action with zero interference. This controller is engineered with Hall-effect joysticks and analog triggers, offering enhanced accuracy, no drift, and smoother in-game control. The Insta360X5 is an advanced 360-degree action camera designed for high-performance shooting in extreme conditions. Engineered for durability, it features an 8K resolution, offering stunning clarity and vibrant detail in every shot. Whether capturing action-packed scenes or scenic landscapes, its waterproof design ensures reliability in wet environments, making it perfect for water sports or outdoor adventures. Equipped with a rugged, replaceable lens, the Insta360X5 provides added protection and flexibility for users. The Logitech Combo Touch for iPad Pro is designed to enhance your experience with 4 distinct use modes, allowing seamless transitions between typing, sketching, viewing, and reading. The keyboard is fully detachable, offering flexibility when not in use, while the adjustable kickstand ensures up to 50 degrees of customizable viewing angles, making it ideal for any task. This keyboard case features a large click-anywhere trackpad, offering a responsive and reliable interface for navigation. Whether trekking the Rockies or navigating a rain-slick sidewalk, your dog deserves gear that adapts. Built to replace every other harness in your closet, this all-in-one system balances rugged durability with practical, everyday use. Rain or shine, trail or pavement, this harness delivers. It's more than just a harness. It's a crash-tested seatbelt restraint, a weatherproof hiking backpack, and a ready-to-deploy rescue system. Designed with input from real dog owners, it responds to real-world needs. From controlling enthusiastic pullers to providing safety and high-speed travel. A clean start should never depend on location. Whether you're waking in a tent beneath mountain stars or prepping for a boardroom in a high-rise, the Uplang electric portable toothbrush ensures you're always ready. Weighing just 3.1 ounces and measuring under 7 inches, this compact powerhouse slips into any carry-on, day pack, or desk drawer without compromise. Its precision-engineered sonic motor delivers up to 38,000 brush strokes per minute, cutting through plaque while being gentle on enamel and gums. Samsung's latest innovation redefines how we interact with screens. The Premier 5 is a compact, ultra-short throw projector designed to create immersive, touch-enabled 100-inch displays from just 17 inches away. Whether angled toward a wall, table, or floor, it transforms any surface into a workspace, entertainment center, or gaming arena. Armed with an infrared laser module and camera, the Premier 5 transforms ordinary tables into giant interactive touchscreens. Imagine a world where controlling your devices is as natural as wearing a ring. The Ring Mouse revolutionizes interaction, blending fashion and functionality seamlessly. Designed for those who demand precision and ease, this Bluetooth-powered accessory allows you to control multiple devices effortlessly with a simple flick of your finger. Whether you're scrolling through social media, making quick presentations, or navigating different platforms, this wearable device offers ultimate convenience without the bulk of a traditional mouse. For outdoor enthusiasts, comfort on the trail is paramount. After a long day of adventure, the last thing you want is to lose sleep on an uncomfortable setup. Unfortunately, many camping solutions often come with trade-offs in either weight or comfort, leaving backpackers with a frustrating dilemma. The Haven Spectre changes that. It offers a sleep experience that balances comfort with weight savings, giving backpackers a lightweight yet cozy option. Crank up the volume by the pool, in the shower, or on the trail. This rugged speaker is engineered for any environment. Built to perform under pressure, it handles water, dust, and impact with ease. Whether clipped to your backpack or floating beside you in the hot tub, This compact device doesn't just survive, it thrives. With 20 hours of battery life on a single charge, you can soundtrack your entire day without reaching for the charger. And when the sun goes down, it's still going strong, keeping the vibe alive through nightfall. When precision is non-negotiable, the Ultimate Ears RR Plus Pro steps in with uncompromising clarity. Whether you're dialing in a vocal chain, mastering in a mobile studio, or producing on the go, this in-ear monitor is built to translate every sonic detail with exacting clarity. Exceptional passive isolation blocks up to -26 decibels of ambient noise, locking you into your mix whether you're in the booth or backstage. In a world where compact tech meets big screen dreams, the Nebula Capsule Air Google TV projector rises to the challenge with substance and style. This isn't just a projector, it's a portal to immersive entertainment. The built-in Google TV interface unlocks over 700,000 movies and shows, searchable by voice using the remote's Google Assistant button. Its native 720p HD resolution, supported by Dolby Digital Audio, creates crisp, theater-like projection in bedrooms, tents, or living rooms. Every key press tells a story, and with the Lunar 01, each stroke becomes a step into uncharted worlds. This mechanical keyboard doesn't just sit on your desk, it launches your imagination into orbit. Inspired by the timeless magic of childhood tales and built with cutting-edge design, the Lunar 01 captures the wonder of exploration with the feel of precision engineering. Designed with an innovative gasket mount structure, the Lunar 01 offers enhanced flexibility and acoustics. The Ego Power Plus telescopic pole saw brings power, precision, and versatility to your outdoor tasks. Designed with an industry-first LED cut line indicator, it ensures you can accurately cut even in shaded or low-light conditions. Equipped with the 56-volt, 2.5 amp-hour ARC lithium battery, the pole saw delivers up to 100 cuts on a single charge, providing long-lasting performance. Forged for peak performance in a footprint that barely claims your desktop, the Tecno Mega Mini Gaming G1 fuses raw speed, advanced cooling, and sleek design. At its core is the Intel Core i9-1390H processor, built with 14 cores, 20 threads, and a turbo boost of 5.4 GHz. Backed by 24 MB Intel Smart Cache, it handles intensive multitasking and AAA gaming with unrelenting ease. Slide into seamless control without touching your screen. This refined, open-ended smart ring adapts to every finger, no matter the size. Say goodbye to rigid rings and hello to comfort engineered for all-day wear. Whether your fingers swell after a workout or shrink in cold weather, this elastic design ensures a snug, stable fit. More than just a ring, it's a gesture-powered command center. Scroll through ebooks, adjust volume like short videos, or flip through presentation slides without reaching for your phone. Some nights demand more than just rest. They demand precision comfort tailored to your unique shape. That's where the C7 pillow rises above the ordinary. Crafted with adaptability at its core, the C7 isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Instead, it molds, shifts, and conforms to the curves of your head, neck, and shoulders with intuitive accuracy. Whether you're broad-shouldered, slender-framed, or anywhere in between, the C7 meets you where you are. No compromises, no awkward angles. Versatility meets precision in this tactically engineered carry system built for those who demand efficiency without compromise. Constructed with adaptability in mind, the design features more than 30 strategically placed pockets to ensure every tool, gadget, or accessory finds its rightful place. The clamshell opening unfolds a full 180 degrees, giving you complete access in seconds. Ideal for on-the-go professionals, digital nomads, or gear-heavy creatives. Whether you're gearing up for a weekend hike, a late-night campsite jam, or unexpected roadside repairs, the Flamp U1 is engineered to handle it all, combining cutting-edge illumination with rugged audio performance in one compact EDC essential. Built for adventurers who value versatility without compromise, this all-in-one flashlight and Bluetooth speaker redefines how you prepare for the unknown. With a blazing 2,300 lumen main beam and a secondary adjustable light, visibility never takes a back seat. A workday doesn't need to feel static. This L-shaped standing desk lets you move, adjust, and optimize your environment. Designed for both flexibility and durability, this dual-motor standing desk is crafted with a strong steel frame and aerospace-grade connectors, maintaining rock-solid stability even after 100,000 lift cycles. Whether you're deep in focus or multitasking between screens, it stands firm, literally. The top surface spans a generous 63 inches by 55 inches, providing plenty of room for multiple monitors, documents, and devices. Power your devices with unmatched precision and versatility using the Sharky X 3-in-1 magnetic power bank. Built with an advanced dual magnetic design, it securely snaps onto compatible phones, smartwatches, and earbuds for effortless charging, no cables required. The ultra-strong magnetic force ensures a stable connection even while you're on the move. With a 10,000 mAh battery capacity, this compact unit delivers multiple charges in one go. Shifting how you approach comfort and function, this chair-table hybrid builds versatility into every inch. Designed for those who refuse to stay confined to one spot, it blends transformable comfort with utility and seamless mobility. Whether you're tackling spreadsheets, sketching in a park, or letting your cat curl up next to you mid-read, it adapts to fit the moment. The armrests aren't just static supports, they fold down and lock into several angles, letting you lounge or sit upright, your choice. Bring the pulse of the financial world right to your desk with a dynamic display that echoes the charm of vintage trading floors. The ticker meter isn't just decor, it's a real-time window into your stock portfolio, cryptocurrencies, and forex pairs. Crafted for both home and office, this physical stock ticker leverages e-paper technology, providing a crisp, paper-like display that's visible under any lighting conditions while using minimal power. Customize each ticker to stream your favorite tickers with up-to-the-minute accuracy. Life rarely slows down, and managing your health shouldn't fall behind. Skipped medication isn't just a small oversight. It leads to worsened conditions, reduced treatment success, higher medical bills, and added stress. DeFi transforms any standard pill bottle into a powerful AI-assisted system. With LED and sound reminders, smartphone alerts, and even in-app phone calls, you're covered whether you're at home or on the go. Open the bottle within a minute of the scheduled time, and DeFi logs your dose automatically. The Pool Blaster Max Cordless Pool Vacuum redefines pool cleaning efficiency with powerful, streamlined performance. Powered by the innovative WaterTech P30 motor, this vacuum offers significantly increased suction, making debris pickup swift and thorough. Thanks to its lithium-ion battery, the Pool Blaster Max operates for up to 1 hour on a single charge, giving you the freedom to clean without constant recharging. The Samsung NZ6 900TM integrates innovation and style with a cooktop that enhances both performance and design. Offering a powerful 575 M32H ventilation system, this hob captures cooking vapors and odors swiftly, ensuring your kitchen stays fresh without the need for a separate hood. This clever design allows for flexible installation, even on an island table, while keeping the air clean and crisp. In a world where communication barriers crumble and creativity flows freely, the Monoease PG2 stands as a revolution in your ears. These aren't just earbuds, they're a portable intelligence hub packed into a sleek, ergonomic design. Built with cutting-edge GPT-4o and DeepSeek R1 AI engines, The MonoEase PG2 transforms your listening and speaking experience across borders and platforms. Set your desk in motion with a precision-crafted kinetic fingertip flip skill toy built to mesmerize. Designed to flip, roll, and fall with a natural rhythm, this skill toy invites repeated interaction through effortless balance and unexpected movement. Compact and smooth, at just over 2 inches long, it fits perfectly in your hand or pocket, ready to engage your focus whenever the need strikes. The kinetic fingertip flip skill toy is more than just a visual trick. It's a desk companion that relieves tension, sparks creativity, and trains dexterity. Built for a new era of mobility, the AUVO Lirpe R1 redefines what an electric scooter can be. As the world's first solar charging electric scooter, it sets a high bar with cutting-edge innovation and practical design. Featuring a removable 36-volt/7.8 amp-hour battery, the Lirpe R1 allows convenient, separate charging, portable, secure, and effortless. Even better, the detachable battery doubles as a rugged outdoor light. Beneath the punishing sun, relief doesn't come easy, unless you're wearing the U-Quality wearable air conditioner cooling vest. Designed for peak performance in brutal heat, this advanced cooling vest drops your core body temperature fast, up to 33 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient, starting from the spine outward. Feel the chill sweep across your back in just 3 seconds, transforming sweltering conditions into manageable moments. Whether you're working a construction site or grinding through summer shifts outdoors, this vest turns overheating into high-efficiency cool. The Fine Day 3.0 Aluminum Edition keyboard combines nostalgic design with modern functionality, offering a unique typing experience. With Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, it can pair with up to 3 wireless devices and 1 USB connection, allowing seamless multitasking. You can use both Bluetooth and USB connections simultaneously, managing up to 4 devices at once. The keyboard features an ergonomic 9.2 2-degree cradling angle, ensuring comfortable typing for long periods without straining your neck. When precision, power, and portability intersect, the Fantic W10 Apex Turbo Light Mini Chainsaw emerges as a clear contender in compact cutting tools. Its energy backbone, a 2,500 mAh rechargeable battery, delivers performance on demand. Fast charging via Type-C, the battery reaches 80% capacity in just 30 minutes and offers enough power to slice through up to 135 cuts of 2-inch pine, covering roughly 430 square feet of yardwork in a single session. The Pivo Pod Lite is a compact and versatile phone holder designed to elevate your video recording and sports training experience. With its innovative 360-degree rotation capability, it follows your movements effortlessly, ensuring that every shot, swing, or drill is captured with precision. This smartphone stand is ideal for those engaged in racket sports, tennis, basketball, and other dynamic activities where movement is key.